One step forward, two steps backwards, yeah. Immature lover who don't use big words, yeah.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I am getting my kitchen together. It's gonna be in between cleaning, decluttering, organizing, and everything. I was just watching Get Organized with the Home Edit. If you guys have never seen they have a Instagram, it's the Home Edit, but they now have a show on a series on Netflix, y'all, about getting your home together, organized, and everything. So I've been watching that, and that has just motivated me to. This kitchen is one of my main issues in this house. It's small for one, and we're a family of 4, and we're not small, so we have a lot of stuff. I have a lot of stuff in this kitchen that's not being utilized. My pantry needs to be gone through again. This will be my 3rd time. I have my cabinets and everything. I need to just get rid of stuff, organize this kitchen, make it more appealing to me, and organize. And that's what I'm going to be doing. I'm going to take you guys along with me. No judgment zone, because I've seen some really crazy homes. So please don't judge me. I am trying to get it all. That's what I'm going to be doing in this video, trying to get it all together. This might be a 2-part video because, like I said, I have a lot to do. As you can see, this is extra storage. I don't have a lot of storage in my kitchen, for one. So I bought this about 3 years ago, and it has become cluttered with so much stuff. I rarely go in there to get anything out of it, so I'm saying, okay, Tiffany, we gotta work something together. We gotta work this out. Like, you bought this to utilize space, to have more space to do stuff in your kitchen and have more room. So we gotta make it work, you know. So that's what I'm going to be doing. If you like those kind of videos, if you like organization, cleaning, if you like hauls, decorating, lifestyle, home stuff, make sure you stick around and subscribe and join my YouTube family. I would love to have you. Make sure you leave a comment and let me know if you're new. I love to chat with you all down below. So we're going to go ahead and we're going to get started. I think the first thing that I'm going to tackle is this hutch organization thing over here, because I think if I clear out what I'm not using and don't want, it will make room for me to add stuff in there to get rid of, you know, the clutter in my cabinets and stuff. So that's gonna be my first task, and we're gonna just move with it, if you know what I'm saying. So stick around, y'all, and let's get this.
I'm telling you that there ain't no other way. Pack your bags and then you will go away. I'm not gonna be begging you to stay. Said maybe if you asked me yesterday, I would handle this shit differently. Things are different, I'm a new me. That's not gonna happen. That's not gonna happen. That's not gonna happen. So even if you're asking, even if you're asking, 'cause I do what I do, and it's time for something new, yeah. Gotta know when to let go. Gotta know when to let go. Gotta know when to let go. Sometimes giving up can make it grow. not ungrateful, just being helpful for me and you. Cause we gotta go our own way, gotta go our own way, yeah. This was not a good stay, gotta go our own way. Cause I do what I do, and it's time for something new, yeah. Gotta know when to let go, gotta know when to let go, gotta know when to let go. Sometimes giving up can make it grow, can make it grow, can make it grow. I don't appreciate the chase. Now there's nothing here for me, yeah. I gotta go, I'll fly away to a new space. You know, I don't appreciate the chase.
Alright, so this is my pantry right now. Well, the before of my pantry. I could not shut the pantry door completely, so yeah, it's time for me to clean this sucker out. So that's what I am about to do, and you'll see how it looks when I'm done.
Can make it grow, can make it grow, can make it grow. Sometimes gotta know when to let go, gotta know when to let go, gotta know when to let go. Sometimes giving up can make it grow, can make it grow, can make it grow.
Show ya. Wish for me to call you when you're turning me on. The way you telling me you wanted me down. Done it, I done this before you falling. I won't catch you, don't know I'm stalling. Cause you love to have them all crying. Calling me sweet, telling me you need me. But I'm from a city that's high school. I give them this and the more I go. Cause you a bad money, she don't love money. She break hearts real fast like gunman. Wanna swim down to the deep end. Wanna know all my secrets, honestly. Can you keep it real? Cause honestly, I can tell that you're real fond of me. Baby, don't be shy, I can see it in your eyes. I've been running around. Too bad, I've been sticking out your mind. I know you like it how I rock it from behind. I know you stand it how you taking all my time. Left, right, can you take it all night? Too bad, I've been sticking out your mind. I know you like it how I rock it from behind. I know you stand it how you taking all my time. Left, right, can you take it all night? Take it, baby, baby, I ain't scared to take it. Oh, and maybe when I take it, oh, I feel it coming down too strong. Cause I want ya, and it's hard to resist cause I need ya. And it's hard, baby, yeah, cause I believe ya. Hold me tight, holding on tonight. Holding a couple, no get to you clean and proper. Way I move, ain't no weekend lover. You gon' have me on your mind forever, ever. Thanks, baby, turn it down like a sweet and ready. Go slow, keep it nice and steady. Know that you've been keeping patience. Too bad, I've been sticking out your mind. I know you like it how I rock it from behind. I know you stand it how you taking all my time. Left, right, can you take it all night? Too bad, I've been sticking out your mind. I know you like it how I rock it from behind. I know you stand it how you taking all my time. Left, right, can you take it all night? Show ya. Show me the car when you turning me on. The way you telling me you wanted me down.
Show me how you jigger.
Pick it up, why you tryna find the pieces when you lick it up? Why I like it when you sit it when you take it off? Yeah, you know that I'm bad. Too bad, I've been sticking out your mind. I know you like it how I rock it from behind. I know you stand it how you taking all my time. Left, right, can you take it all night? Too bad, I've been sticking out your mind. I know you like it how I rock it from behind. I know you stand it how you taking all my time. Left, right, Going off to different places, different planets. Watch your aura pass me by, losing balance. What if we run out of time and second chances? Empty-handed. You like the fast life, you like to drive and get down and dirty, act like the bad guy. You want some love, me like when you feel like calling at midnight. You got the best of me, you got me losing sleep. I've been hopeful, baby, I was hoping maybe that you'd cross my path. I've been sinking lately, and it's hard to move. Think I'm stuck on you. We're in transits, going off to different places, different planets. Watch your aura pass me by, losing balance. What if we run out of time and second chances? Empty-handed. I wonder, would you love me better if I go? I'm not home. I wonder, can we trust the stars above to let us know how to go? We only got this life, no guarantees and stars align. Follow your passion trail and try to keep an open mind. Hiding it by myself, no guarantees you'll find me. Said if it's faith you'll find me, leaving the past behind. We're in transits, going off to different places, different planets. Watch your aura pass me by, losing balance. What if we run out of time and second chances? Empty-handed. I wonder, would you love me better if I go? I'm not home. I wanna know, can we trust the stars above to let us know?
Alright, this is the end results of the pantry. This will be a 2-part video, so stay tuned to part 2. I will be tackling all of my cabinets and my refrigerator and freezer. So I thank you guys for watching, and I will catch you in the next video.
I said the last drink was the last drink. You make it hard to leave. We're telling secrets in the dark while drinking whiskey neat.
I don't need convincing at all because I know what